All right, guys, so you have all asked for it. I've gotten a message about it a million different times, and today it's gonna happen. We are gonna be doing a POV style drive with the beastly ZR1. Let's jump right into it. First things first, gotta open up the garage door. This is where the magic happens here, guys. And then, of course, the cold start. Gotta love it. And then we are on our way. All right, guys, so here we are. We are going for a drive in the ZR1. I have gotten an unbelievable amount of requests for POV style driving in the ZR1, so here it is. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking in this video, guys. I'm just gonna kind of drive around a little bit, but ultimately it's about the experience here in the manual ZR1. So like the title says, you're coming with me for a drive in the manual ZR1, in the rare ZR1. This is it. I feel like it is something I should do for you guys, because driving this car is just something that is a little bit outside of the norm. It's a really cool car. It's a really rare car. I keep getting reminded of that by whenever I go to car shows. A lot of people were just asking me for rides in it and stuff, and I kind of forget how rare this thing is. So here we go. Great pizza there. Love the pops from the AWE. The AWE exhaust sounds so good on this car. right, guys, so that is pretty much going to conclude the POV drive in the ZR1, I think. Now, I'm sure a lot of you, actually, with this in front of me, I guess it's definitely going to conclude it. But for those of you out there, you're going to have some questions, I'm sure. I am very familiar with these roads. This is where I live, so I know kind of the turns, ins and out. I travel these roads almost daily. I also know there is a lot of wildlife around here, so I don't want to go too crazy on any of these roads and have a groundhog or a rabbit or something run out in front of me. Number one, it's going to bust up the splitter. Number two, I'm a huge animal lover, so I don't want to go killing any wild animals for doing what they do. So hopefully this was enough of a drive for you guys. I really wanted to kind of show off the car and show off how it's kind of the experience, I guess, of driving one. I know a lot of you out there probably won't ever get to drive one, or maybe not even get to ride in one unless you're local to me. I'll gladly take you for a ride. But otherwise, these cars, like I said, they are kind of rare, so it's not super likely you'll get to ride in one. But hopefully this virtual experience kind of took you for a ride, so to speak. So anyway, I'm going to kind of take it easy the rest of the way home, and that's that, guys. So we just hit 1333 or no, 13,333 miles in the ZR1, guys. So yeah, the car's definitely getting driven. I love this thing. It's such a beast to drive. It's an amazing car. But yeah, guys, if you like the content, please smash that thumbs up button. I'm probably going to do more of these in the future whenever I'm able to get onto a little bit more exciting roads, something a little curvier. Someday I do plan on making a trip down to the Tail of the Dragon. When I do that, yeah, I'll definitely POV it for you guys. But anyway, that's going to do it, like I said. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm going to have loads of Corvette info and videos like this coming you're not going to want to miss. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next upload.